we have been given the results. We have been told that the late Rita died of severe pneumonia, and we are satisfied with the results. Of course, the members of the family right now are distraught, and they are still asking for space. They're still asking for a little bit of privacy, even as we go into the news, we go to it with decorum, with respect, and remembering that there is a family that is there, that has emotions and can get affected by some of the things.